Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone. Today my group will do a presentation 2 for Math Engineering 2, and we will be cover 2 topics and 2 questions, area and volumes. And we are a group of 3 members, which is me, Faisal bin Ibrahim, and my other 2 friends, which is Daniel and Iman. Today, I will talk about application of integration to find area to be specific. To find area, we have 2 methods. The first one is by using the rectangle method, which we will divide area between interval A, B into n equal subinterval, and over each subinterval, construct a rectangle that extends from the x-axis to any point on the curve y equals to f x that is above the subinternal. This method can define the area under y equals to fx over the internal AB as the limits of the areas of the approximating rectangles, and use the method itself to approximate this area. And the second method is to determine the area of the graph is by using integration. This method was introduced by Newton and Leibniz that discovered the area could be obtained by reversing the process of differentiation, which is integration. Alright, we will move on to the questions. Here we have the question: the point of intersection A and B between 2 lines y equals to x squared minus 5x minus 30 and y equals to negative 2x plus 40. And we will need to find the y-intercept point C and the area under curve for the region bounded by the curve at axis. And you can take a look at the graph on the right. We have points C and B. Alright, now we will go to how to solve these questions. For the first question, the point of intersection A and B between 2 lines, the first thing, we have the quadratic equations, and what we need to do it, we will put y1 equals to y2, and we will balance it and use calculator by putting it into quadratic equations, and then we will get x1 and x2. After that, we will substitute the x into the first equation of y1, and we will get y equals to 20. And we will do it the same way again on the second equation, which is y2. We will put negative 7 into the x, and we will get 54. Alright, so now we will move on to C, which is area under the curve for region bounded by the curve at axis. For these questions, we will use integration formula of area, which is like A equals to integrate negative 7 to 10 y2 minus y1. And now we will just put in the value of y2 and y1, and we will solve it first without using any integration first, and we will get integrate negative 7 to 10 negative x squared plus 3x plus 70. And from here we will substitute the x with 10, and then we will substitute it again, the x with negative 7, and then we'll have it. We have 516.67 minus negative 303.70, and then we have our answer, which is 818.84 units.
Hi, my name is Iman. I will tell you description of y-axis and x-axis to be applied in application of integration to find volume. What is y-axis? Y-axis is like vertical axis. The y-axis is like a vertical ruler. I shows you where an object on a Cartesian plane, a two-dimensional mathematical graph, is in the y vertical direction. One is also the starting or 0 point of measuring how far a point is to the right or a left horizontal on a graph. What is x-axis? X-axis is like horizontal axis. The x-axis is the horizontal on a Cartesian plane. It is like number line that tell you the coordinate for a given point. It allows you to see where a point on the x-axis by determining how far that point is to the right or the left of the origin. Then I will tell you example 1, volume of revolution at axis. The region bounded by the graph of y equal to x squared, y equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2 is revolved about the x-axis. Find the volume of the resulting solid. Step 1. Sketch the side view of the revolver region. The first line is up line and then the second line is bottom line. X equal to 1 and then x equal to 2. Step 2. Find the volume of the representative disk. We have used an integration formula. The integration formula is Vx equal to integrate BA pi y square dx. And then turn into V equal to integrate 2 1 pi open bracket x square close bracket square dx. V integrate 2 1 pi x square root 4 dx. It because x square root multiplied square turn into x square root 4. And then step 3, evaluate the integral and compute the volume of the solid. V equal to pi open bracket x square root 5 over 5 close the bracket integrate to 1 and then turn into pi open bracket 32 over 5 minus 1 over 5 close bracket. It's turn 32 over 5 minus 1 over 5 because 32 over 5 is 2 turn the x turn to 2 and 1 over 5 is the x turn into 1. The equal of calculation is 31 over 5 pi unit volume. And that's for me. Thank you.
Hello, so I am Muhammad Anatfi bin Hamzam. So I want to present about example 2, volume of revolution y-axis. The region bounded by the graph y equal x square 2, y equal to x equal 0, and it revolves about the y-axis, and find the volume of the resulting solid. For the step 1, sketch the side view of the revolved region. So the step 2, find the volume of a representative disk. So the formula y equal integrate BA by x square 2 dy. So the second, y equal integrate BA by y dx. So the step 3, evaluate the integral and compute the volume of the solid. V equal pi open bracket y square 2 over 2 close bracket integrate to 0. So the answer is pi open bracket 4 over 2 minus 0 over 2 close bracket. Why the answer is 4 over 2 and minus over 2? Because y square 2 into 2, so the answer is 4 over 2. So the last of answer 2 pi unit volume. So in conclusion, an integral is a mathematical object that can be interpreted as an area and volume, or a generalization of area. Integral together with derivative are the fundamental object of calculus. Other words for integral include antiderivative and primitive. So that's all. Thank you for watching and bye bye.